two top state officials are resigning without much explanation why. Secretary of State Josh Cockcroft, who you see on the left, says he'll announce his next chapter very soon.
The other officials on the right, Rick Rose is director of the Office of Management and Enterprise Services, or OMES. Neither gave a reason for their resignations.
But News 4's Spencer Humphrey is here with why the Attorney General thinks he knows why one of those men is stepping down. Spencer?
Yeah, in the case of the now outgoing OMES director, Attorney General Drummond is accusing Governor Stitt of using that official to sabotage him politically. Oklahoma Attorney General Gentner Drummond accusing Governor Stitt of having a top state official get in the way of an AG's office crime crackdown to hurt Drummond politically, calling it a potentially serious misuse of Stitt's authority amid news that official had resigned Monday.
But it's sort of an open fighting or war between the governor and the attorney general, and they're kind of taking off the gloves now.
On Monday, Governor Stitt announced he'd accepted Office of Management and Enterprise Services Director Rick Rose's resignation, saying in a news release, "I'm grateful for Director Rose's service to Oklahoma. I wish him the best as he transitions back to the private sector." Rose, who'd held that role Stitt dubbed as the state's chief operating officer for a little more than a year, also saying Monday, "I truly appreciate the governor's leadership on reducing the size of government and making it work better for the people." Then, though, Attorney General Drummond put out his own news release, revealing he sent Stitt this letter 4 days ago, accusing Rose of improper conduct, asking Stitt to fire him. In it, he told Stitt Rose, in his role as OMES director, has refused to process the lawful purchase of vehicles the AG's office needed for law enforcement agents it tasked with cracking down on illegal marijuana grow operations and organized retail theft, suggesting Stitt ordered Rose to deny those purchases, saying that would represent a serious misuse of your authority, causing direct harm to the ability of my law enforcement agents to do their job. Also adding, if you did not direct or authorize this action, then you should remove Director Rose for abusing his position, and I will watch closely to see how you proceed.
And he's asking the governor, frankly, to either make it happen or to fire his officials for not making it happen.
And while it's not a secret there's no love lost between the governor and attorney general, former assistant state AG Tim Gilpin reads Drummond's letter as suggesting Stitt has taken their feud a step too far.
The attorney general is really trying to ask in a point-blank way, are you withholding these resources that I need to conduct my duty and my efforts that I'm supposed to be doing? And is that political because you don't support me in my race for governor?
But he says the burden to prove it is on Drummond, and it's a heavy one.
It would be a difficult thing likely to prove that the governor purposely stymied the attorney general's duties. If you could do that, well, sure. I mean, Oklahoma in our far past, we've impeached governors for less. But I suspect right now this is just infighting between the governor and the attorney general.
And we reached out to Governor Stitt's office to see if he has anything else he wants to share in response to Drummond's accusations, but we have not heard back.